Now, this one is so far out in left field that this is a throwaway. This one is just whacked. That's all I'm going to say. Where do you start? Split text. Here is this crazy formula. Min, find, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a bunch of numbers, and then we have this B5 and then a bunch of numbers. Here we have find text within text. And believe it or not, you definitely have to F9 this. Here is the craziness. We had that B1. We're going to add egg 60 to this thing. And believe it or not, here is the logic. What does it say? It says find text within text. What does find do? It finds a position, locates a position in text. It says find text, find 0. Find 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep track of that. Then find 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then find 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my numbers are probably way off. But that's how it works. You're going to see find 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down here in the narrative, here's the translation. We're going to get 6 when we try to find 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's noted. Find number 1. We know 6 is 0 is 6. 7, 8 is the first one. Find 2. Find 1. And we know 1 was 8, and so 2 is going to be 9, so on and so forth. All right? You got that? That's only part of it. Now you're going to see this craziness, and you're not going to be able to see it because we don't have the numbers. The output here is find the split, all right? In other words, find the first number. Find 6, 0. Where's the first 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got that? That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to find the first number. You literally have to go through here and you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You look here, number 6, find number 6. Way over here, you're going to see number 5. And believe it or not, the answer is 5. And now what we do, we use left. We're splitting, and we need a start number. Here we have B5, text, and then number of characters. C5 minus 1. Remember left, we have a starting number, our text, B5, and then number of characters. How many we want to keep? 4. We always start at 1, and we're going to keep 4 characters. Then we go over on the right, and we're going to reverse it. We're going to start at B5. We're going to take the length of this thing, B5. We're going to subtract 5 plus 1. What is that going to give us? Number of characters. So we're going to have 5. We're going to have 5 minus C5 plus 1 is 2. Lo and behold, remember that here, text, here, number of characters, F9, is the numbers we want to keep. The numbers we want to keep. We want to get rid of, starting right to left, count over 1, 2, and get rid of everything else. On left, just a reminder, left, we're starting left to right, and we're keeping however many characters. It was 4 here, and we're getting rid of everything else. Words like truncate and extract, and no. I like to say I want to keep X number of characters. You can use extract if you want. You want here left, it says extract characters, and well, truncate, and no, not for me. Read and reread and reread the narrative. This one, I applaud. Yeah. Brad Williams, XL Prime.